ki khubor ka bate CTV lawan rashapi ta ka Frank Motors kamon ban long slur ringkat bat kaman ba shongkhia ka shong ha ka jinglong scam bat jingjet bastard jongi ka Tata Harrier ka kali ka ban san ya ka lintia jongpi kala banong ka jongpi minta book ya ka Tata Harrier ha Frank Motors lat korngi leni phone hau number hinyo not sausan ar not hinyo khndai hinyo lai
Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Conrad ke sangma ulai Khublei kerpang ya keseng BJP nama ke Jingjop Donburom jongka hak assembly election haki Tylli ke Jylla kata Rajasthan Madhya Pradesh bara Chhattisgarh Conrad ula ong bagi bon ki bre kim na khmi lenti than bagi BJP kan job hadu Tylli ke Jylla hande ula ong ba dealing ba ke jingalam batbet jong Menteri Rangba do Narendra Modi bagi BJP kla job Donburom haki Tylli ke Jylla
I must congratulate the Honorable Prime Minister, under whose leadership the BJP party has done extremely well in this election in these 5 states, and very few people expected that they would be able to win in 3 states. So therefore, the biggest surprise and the biggest positive step was the results that came in Madhya Pradesh, where I do congratulate Mr. Shivraj Singh Chauhan ji that in spite of being in the government for so many years, he was able to overcome all those challenges and all the negativity that was on top of him, and he was able to overcome those challenges along with the team to win it in a landslide manner. So great work and great, I would like to congratulate him and the president of the BJP on their performance, especially in Madhya Pradesh and overall in Rajasthan as well as Chhattisgarh.